Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be on how I got this curly style. Right now this is like day 2 or 3 hair, so the curls have loosened up. They got a little bit more frizz on them. It's been raining here in Florida, so got a little bit more humidity on them as well. So they still look good, but if you want to see how I got to this point, watch the video, continue to watch the video. But before we get into that, please make sure you are subscribed to this channel. It takes 1 second to do. The subscribe button is down there. It's like a red button. Click that subscribe button, and then you also want to click the notification bell down there as well, so you're notified each and every time that I post a video. I did take a slight break for about a month or so, but I'm back and I'm happy to be back. So make sure you comment, like, and share this video on your social media networks. Also, please be sure to follow me on my social media networks at Kinky Girl Talk on Facebook, on Instagram, and on Pinterest. I have a Twitter account, but I'm not active on there, so you can follow me on Twitter if you want, but I'm not on there. However, that is all I have. I'm a quit talking before it gets to a point where I'm rambling. So thank you for everybody for all your love and your support, and let's get into the video.